Naka-play na.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is the portfolio and report of the Lupon.
This is our company name, Charles World PH. Ang meaning po niyan is magbibigay liwanag para sa mga nasalita, may mga sakit or mga naban ng mga bata sa bahay. So, ang kawalan kasi ng mga artist ng PH, Charles World PH, to our IG account is Charles World PH, and to our Gmail account is Charles World.ph at gmail.com. Located po kami sa 4677 Villa St. San Valley, Subdivision, Purnia City, Philippines. And this is our company profile. 30 Smart PH is a resident treatment smart non-profit based in Purnia City, providing a license support, operational, medical, spiritual, and self-care relief, and vulnerable communities in Metro Manila and beyond. And our vision is to be compassionate for our community where every child, family, individual has hope and dignity for the better future. So our vision is to organize monthly events and a voluntary fund non-profit committed to serving the poor, disadvantaged, and marginalized regardless of race, religion, or social status. Next one is our topic, unity in action, compassion in action. Ang meaning po niya is, it means working together with kindness and empathy to achieve the common goal.
Service offer. Support for data. Yung pediatric cancer war support. Disaster relief operation. Youth seminars and counseling. Dental and medical mission. Feeding program. Yung support for data. Yung mga charity na tumutulong sa mga kabataan para nag-aaral sila yung mga nabibigay ng mga innovation sa kanila. Yung cancer war support, yung mga tumutulong sa mga may cancer, tapos yung mga kabilang may mga financial saka yung mga medical na support. Kasi sa disaster relief operation, yung mga nasalamtan ng bagyo, yung mga bagyo sa people, yung nagbibigay ng mga relief goods, yung mga ganun. Yung seminar and counseling, yung mga nagsiseminar ng mga kung paano nila. May mga nagsaseminar ng mga tao, yung kung paano nila yung tinuturuan nila ng mga magagandang bagay. Dental and medical mission. Dental and medical, yung mga dental yung mga dental saka yung mga medical, yung mga pumupunta sa mga iba't ibang lugar, yung mga wala masyadong access sa mga ganyan. Tumatawag na sila sa mga ganyan, sa mga gundo. Feeding program, yung mga pagkain na nila, yung mga binibigay sa mga charity, leadership and governance. Charity Spark, Philippines companies guided by a distinguished work of trust, diligence, and an experience extensively ensuring effective governance and oversight. Victoria Luis Malino, Founding Trustee and Chairperson, recognized as a pillar in the Philippines President, honors the one of the 10 influential Filipino women in the world. Her extensive experience includes serving as Chairperson of the Commission on the Philippine Overseas and the National Anti-Poverty Commission. Jaime Fernandez, Vice President with the background first Chairperson of the National Youth Commission. Azen Malapao, Executive Director, Certified Commission. Base Project Management from the Asian Institute of Management, CSI strong background in operation project coordination. Strategic vision, Catholic Smart Philippines companies driving life, share commitment to serve through volunteerism and compassion. The purpose, to uplift needs and bring joy to communities through acts of kindness and service. Core values, compassion, volunteerism, integrity, unity and love. Event goals, organizing, organizing meaningful charity initiatives that responds to community needs. People lead approach, empowering volunteers and working under communities, partners, and stakeholders to make a lasting impact. Act of service. Humility takes by inspiring generosity and delivery of praise. Yung purpose, yung purpose ko nga, yung mga
Mas may kliyente na galing kailangan nag-represent ka?
yung purpose ko, yung parang parang yung nagtitulong ko sa mga tao na nagbibigay ko sila ng kahulugan ng buhay sa parang
Next! Nawawala kayo sa nawawala kayo sa yung idea nyo.
Very smart Philippine company. Efficient and safe service. Program management. Program management. Project implementation. Daniel Anthony Hernandez and Meron James Navarro sa community, college and advocacy. At support sila Luis Milog. Ang tayo ng finance and pinadagal team para sumunta ko kayo.
Ano yan, boys? Bakit ang layo ng ninyo? Ha? Yung management capabilities ninyo is your team, your organizational chart. Ano yung management capabilities na yun? Ang event nyo, charity event. Tama ba? Sino kliyente nyo?
mga ibang tao.
Tanggalin mo yung labaroso na bubuisin na ako sa mo Wala ka sa bahay
Yung concentrate ko lagi dito sa Philippine General Hospital and pangalawa ko sa wala dito may ilang codes for certification. Tapos ko sa professional institution for you.
So, ito naman po yung organizational sa event Chris eh. Kayo din na magpapa-event?
Hindi ko sinulat lang namin sa taas.
Kaya nga, ang pangalan ng company niyo is Charity Spark. Sino sinulatan niyo taga Charity Spark?
Babalik sila lang namin pero si Carmela talaga sila na.
Oh, si Miss Carmela, sinong company ni Miss Carmela? Dapat iba yung company name. Kasi kayo yung event organizer. Kayo yung mag-organize ng charity event ni Miss Carmela. Ano nga yung company name niya? Kasi kayo ang organizer, Charity Spark ang pangalan ng company niyo.
Ganun.
Alam mo naman kaya ka pagkalang sa akin, Basahin mo muna yung letter. Okay, here is Carmela Butalan. Babasan nila ito. We at Charity Spark are pleased to present as your event organizer for your upcoming together. Palitan niyo yan, next. Kaya hindi kayo nagpapalabi. Anong ginawa mo dyan? Anong ambag mo?
Saan ma'am?
5Ws. Asan yung house? Mapalitan nyo yan, Juan. Hindi kayo ang nagpapagsari-siga. Gawa kayo ng company ni Miss Carmela. Ha? At yung bago, di ba Red Cross? National Red Cross. LC Gatches. Oh, Consular. Ibang company ang magpapacharity, hindi kayo. Kayo ang mag-organize ng charity party.
Ibang company na
Correct. Ano nga naman? Ano kayo babayaran, Luis? Kaya kayo pinabasa yung content eh. Mali na, next.
Pero yung home namin pa. Okay.
Okay, then is volunteer with start the life. Yung siyempre kayo yun. Who? Organized by charity. At sino yung mga dadalo doon? Pag-uwi nyo yung concept nyo, yan yung start. Pag-uwi nyo yan. Hindi charity spark. Ano yung company na nagpapa-event? Kayo yan eh. Kayo yung event organizer, bakit kayo dyan? Hindi ba sariling proposal nyo, sariling portfolio nyo, ba't pa kayo nag-organize? Kayo din naman eh. Huwag kang oo na ako, sasapatong sinakatagan.
Okay? Baguhin ko lang.
Pag-uwi niya yan lahat. Wala mo na, Hoy Fernandez. Papasok ka pa ba? Papasok ka. Ha? Pa-finals na. Next!
Next.